This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to have bubble glove easy method. Begin by detangling damp hair, sectioning into 4 equal parts, and applying a lightweight gel. Use a soft bristle brush to smooth each section and clip near the scalp. Form bubbles by looping 2-inch segments into small ponytails, securing with clear elastics, then gently pancake each bubble for volume and even shape throughout. Finish with a light hairspray to hold the style without crunch. Soft tools make bubble glove easier and gentler on hair. Choose clear elastics, a soft bristle brush, a tail comb, and a lightweight styling gel. Work from back to front to keep sections consistent and tidy. If you want more volume, gently tug each bubble outward and use a small teasing at the roots for lift. Finish by smoothing stray hairs with a fingertip and misting with flexible hold spray. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after styling on the go. It's a little pick-me-up. Check the description for the link and other deals I found for you. Thanks for the support. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more content coming. Now let's get back to the video. Troubles happen, but simple fixes keep your bubble glove looking polished. If bubbles are uneven, adjust section size and redistribute hair before resecuring elastics. For flyaways, smooth with a dab of serum or a light hairspray on a toothbrush. Avoid over-tightening elastics to prevent dents and breakage, and rotate parting patterns to reduce tension. Practice on second-day hair for easier shaping and longer-lasting bubbles. Record yourself to spot uneven sections and improve technique over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.